If the RGB lighting on your SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini keyboard stops working properly or appears dim, unresponsive, or stuck on one color, the issue is often related to software settings, firmware glitches, or connection problems. This compact gaming keyboard relies on the SteelSeries software to control lighting effects and profiles. When the software or keyboard settings become misconfigured, the RGB system may not behave as expected. Fortunately, most lighting issues can be resolved quickly by checking the software configuration and resetting the keyboard. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect the keyboard and reconnect it to a different USB port on your computer. Step 2. Open the SteelSeries Good Game software and check the lighting settings for the Apex Pro Mini. Step 3. Reset the keyboard lighting profile or select a new RGB effect in the software. Step 4. Check for firmware updates in SteelSeries Good Game and install any available updates. Step 5. Restart your computer and confirm the RGB lighting returns to normal operation.